Motorcycle shadow cats. Very good. Good morning, sports fans. It is 6:30 AM. I really should have got out of bed at 6 when my alarm went off because the sunrise looked incredible. Still doesn't look too bad, does it? Probably a bit better than England. Today, we're gonna go do, it's called Corotown. We're gonna drive up to the top of Coronet Peak with Eddie, Matt, Cole. Laurie was supposed to drive us, but he's not. So Barney was supposed to ride, but he's not going to now. Gotta go tell him. Gotta go break the news to Barney. And we're gonna ride down to breakfast in Arrowtown on trail bikes. And it's gonna be sick. New merch, BK Sport crew. Okay. Maybe don't have shorts on yet, so keep it PC. Got some stuff about. Yo, what's going on? I've got bad news for you.
What?
Laurie's been a holdout on us.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine, I'll go.
Thanks, Barney. Barney's driving.
It's
a classic Laurie Gleeman
I literally
move.
was about to say the e-bike because I'm going to hold everyone up anyway, so.
There we go. Alright, sweet. It's a classic Laurie Gleeman move. Might not be his fault this time. Trail bike of choice myself today is going to be the Motorcycle Shadow Cat. It's a 27.5 machine. Quite the hog, really. Straight in, just look at that sort of gold Panzer valve there. We actually were at the top of Coronet yesterday, but we didn't do an LSD because we were just cruising. Little trail bike laps. I need to find my shoes. Is there anything I'm missing? Oh, it's gonna be a nice day here. We'll run up, we get gym stuff and go into the gym on the way home, so we've got shorts and shoes. We're a BK Sport tee. We'll be in. On the button car. We're gonna do a quick Ferg Baker stop for coffee. Quick morning coffee. Oh, nice hoodie, man. Looks pretty good. Good spot. I've never put my sunshade down in this car. I've done it now. Let go, Barney.
Oh, no.
The vision is not great anymore. It's worse now than when I had the sun in my eye. In front of you. We're getting there. We haven't seen the boys riding up yet. Eddie, Cole and Wax are riding up, so we'll see where they are. The view is looking unreal. The view is incredible. We haven't seen the boys yet. They made good progress this morning. They're flying up the hill. Still can't see them. They'll be there.
As they should. It's their job.
It is their job. Morning, ladies. Morning. It's a quiet Coronet Peak. Well, have you seen they're still running tuna pods up the hill right now?
How big the fire goes. Really? It's like the fire almost got to the left.
What? What, last night? Yeah, oh, I did keep going.
No way.
Good hustle, boys. I'm impressed. You're early. We're all early. Hey. Look at the little hog. Crew off. We got the new BK Sport, the classic tee, pine green with yellow. Dropping next week, maybe by the time this is out. You're saying you do like the city, Cole? Hell of a rig.
How are we going to get 4 back?
Huh? How are we going to get 4 back? Well, it's going to be 5 at one point, so yeah, I've only got 3 Yakima racks on the roof. We've got 4 of us to get back, but no, because Eddie's riding back boringly. But there was going to be 4, and that was the whole funny point.
Yeah, I was
Check
like,
out the tea.
with tow bar.
Plain green, yellow. See you there.
Okay.
Eddie's the sunblock guy. Barney's driving the city. We'll see you in Arrowtown.
Hopefully I will see you in Arrowtown.
Oh, you're not even coming for any of this ride?
No.
Oh, I thought you were going down to the saddle and turning right.
Nah, I didn't have time.
Eddie's a helicopter guy today.
Don't even have time. Just sat there, eh?
Just sat there sunblock going.
It's only a 5-minute pedal from here, apparently. Yeah, man. We'll be in Arrowtown in 10 minutes.
Jesus.
You don't believe me?
You got any tuners today, Wax? Wax is about to become a tuna fisherman, farmer.
Working on irrigation today. Big ride, mate.
Huge ride.
We're about 30 seconds in.
30 seconds in. Sun is coming up. Anyway, we're onto the climbing track.
It's not a climbing track.
This is the OG climbing track. The OG climbing track. 7:20 AM, mate. We're loving it. 30. What a dreamy spot.
Oh, we're about there, aren't we?
Yeah, 5-minute climb. Sure, mate.
You went faster than me. We're on the serum.
Should we get a photo here quick? Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Pretty ridiculous up here. The breeze is getting colder this weekend, though, eh? Wow. Yep.
4 minutes 45, 1 minute 46.
That was not a 5-minute climb, but it was pretty small.
5 minutes.
Oh, wait up. We've got to get a shot quick of the tea, if that's all right, boys. Oh, that might be the wrong angle now.
Oh, risky.
Risky move. It's clouding over a bit today.
It's gonna rain, man.
If it rains today, it's going to be unreal for riding downhill
As soon as
trail.
one drop of rain hits, I'm gonna be
You're racing the Coronet 1200 on Saturday, remember?
I will not be racing the Crow 1200 if it rains.
Pay me $400 now.
Like the Cromwell 2000.
Yeah, the Cromwell 2000 is where I'll be on a motocross bike on the fresh KTMs. Quite dust there.
Dusty
Still on it.
Glob up, man.
Alright, I'll put some gloves on
Some
too.
gloves on.
Sam,
I'll put some gloves on.
Put some Kiwi gloves on, mate.
Let's see it. Let's see it, ladies.
Got a bit of line right out the fucking gate, don't we?
Yeah, Cole. Oh, that was so dangerous. Yeah, when you can't see the bumps, it's sketch. Oh, it's unreal. Can't see a thing. I'm going to slow up, the dust is too bad. Still too bad. Yeah, you're right, you can't see a lot in the dust, eh?
I'm like fully crying.
Look at Carl.
I couldn't see anything, eh?
It's harder than I thought.
I couldn't even see through the tears, eh?
The rain at 2 PM could be pretty good.
Fuck, it's pretty mean and dusty though.
Yeah. BK's brought one to lead out of section, so it looks like
Yeah, let me
time for the
prime for the LSD. Oh! It's a pedal and almost flew off. Wow. Give a bit more camera angle down so you can see some bars. It's 3 or 4 years since I've ridden this, and it's so good. Whoa. Yeah, light her up, my guy.
What's that?
I said, light her up, my guy. I'll follow you through here. Might get dusty again. Pretty fun.
Yeah, it's fine.
You just like pop off all the little bumps and lumps. Oh, she's a narrow little rut. And we'll let him go. How incredible. Remember there being like a gnarly section of trail somewhere down here. Oh, I've gone the wrong way. I've gone to the photo viewpoint. Tell you what, we'll wait for Walker to come through here because it's so sick. See it, mate? Oh.
Into the gully and doom.
It's unbelievable out here. Yo. A few more drops last time I rode it. Or gullies. Pretty rad.
True, man. Yeah.
Big fan, big fan.
It's like a slide the whole way.
Alright, boys have dropped. Get this down a little bit more so you can see how good this is. Maybe. Check your number. Okay, what's the deal with these turns? Wow. We're in the saddle. Hell of a shoot.
Looks pretty good.
Have fun, mate. Hopefully this is slightly less dusty. Yeah, just guess. Oh, I got stone roosted. Oh. What tires has that guy got on?
Queenstown. How good. It's a bridge! No, there's not. So you don't even get wet anymore. Wow. Wow, that actually is. A few little pinches along the way. Okay, that's really fun though. I've never done this with bridges ever. Still got to do like one river crossing out of Oxford just like slow you down.
Not mad at it. Oh, yeah, good way to get breakfast. Yo. Should I just leave this whole clip in? Run the whole thing. River crossing. I thought he was going off there.
It's the varying terrain, you know, guys. I love it. One big pinch now, or no? Yeah. Oh, is that now? Is this the pinch? Yeah. Alright, we'll turn off for the pinch. Or should we just chat? Good chat?
So it's called an OnlyFans, right?
You're on OnlyFans?
I was looking at Lucy's profile, man.
Okay, how's Lou looking?
No, no,
How long is the pinch?
5 minutes?
I know it's not that long. I just mean for the LSD viewers.
We're there, we've picked the basketball, picked it off.
Dual use track, guys. We'll keep it rolling then. Cole, I know you're going to watch this later.
I've never watched the whole one in a vlog.
Bicycle fix. Oh no. Hell of a descent. Morning, thank you. Oh, they know some lines. Hey, yeah, how?
Oh, exit speed! Take your rib!
Man, if you guys aren't winning EWSs, this place is your training ground. What's that? If you guys aren't winning EWSs, oh, nice. Gnarly badger. She's quite the epic.
Thank you.
Morning, thank you.
Trying to behave because we're on camera.
Why did you bark then? Oh, the spoke's gone through the rim tape. It's not far to go though, is it? Thank you very much. Morning, thank you. Morning, thanks. Good beauty. You just got to do it. You've got to do the river crossing. Just in a native day. I think we can all agree it's quite an epic trail. What do you reckon, Wax?
Fully epic, man.
Fully epic. We're almost in Arrowtown now. Spin out down here through a creek. Keep my feet dry, hopefully. Might as well keep it going now all the way. Where that sweet drop used to be, right there.
What's going there?
It's a new sandpit the kids are playing.
What's that?
It's a sandpit the kids are playing.
I think it's going to be a school away. Really? Yeah, it's like
A little learning centre, like forest, like nature.
like outdoors.
That's pretty cool. I'm just going to roll this all the way into Chop Shop.
Why not? Lovely place. Here we got the Great Alaskan Pipeline.
Great Alaskan Pipeline, honestly, starts here.
Yeah. Goes all the way from here to Alaska.
That's incredible.
Carries kiwi fruit actually, pulp.
Kiwi pulp.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Reconstituted, put it in balls. That's why it comes in that weird skin.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
And then up here on our left is where Eddie finally got off my car.
Eddie wrote off your car here. Eddie is a chief writer off of cars.
He's ridden off the most cars I know about.
Yeah.
He did pay me back, but he also
He paid it back.
My pride and joy since I was 15.
He wrote off Cole's first car here, Eddie did, as well as my old Honda City. He's quite the expert at writing off cars. Great guy, but great at writing cars off.
You've got to be great at something, don't you?
Great guy. Morning.
Such an outdoorsy place.
Such an, it actually is though. I feel like my ride was a little easy. I am going to the gym after though. Oh, I've got an extra hill here as well. See the old opium den? Oh, that's quite cool, the new corrugated iron one. Is it new or is it really old? I reckon it's new to look old.
Oh, the old, new, old, eh?
Yeah, the classic.
It'll get you sometime.
Pottery barn. They know what they're doing with it. Well, it's classic how many tradies you see leave this bakery every morning, eh?
The pie shop.
Yeah. Appetizer, Arrowtown Bakery.
My pie wasn't anything to write home about last
My pie was average from there. You want to get Ferg pie? Yeah, we're going to do an Arrowtown tour right now. Ooh, the New Orleans Hotel. The J Noble. Oh, he's in. What's going on, brother man? The city's here. Chop Shop's there. Breakfast time.
The cocktail bar we
Cool, it doesn't seem like you go to a cocktail bar.
Get your mind out the gutter, man.
Check these hogs here. I reckon they're right there.
Arrowtown, man, it's a stitched place.
Yeah. Really sketchy place. Have a great ride. Thanks for driving, Barney.
Good.
Yeah, looking good, looking good. Cheers, Barney.
Give me a ride, man. Get some breakfast.
Not us. We got excited for the eggs, but it's not us. It's not. Damn. What we got here then? Turkish eggs. We've got Greek yogurt, chili oil, Greek yogurt, chili oil, bacon, bread. Incredible.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yogurt. How do you say it? Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Maybe you say it funny.
Yogurt.
Well, apple juice. First impressions. Can I get first impressions?
Insane.
Very good.
That's easy to spot. We've got fuel cans, spanners, all sorts. We've got takeaway coffee. Boys, good ride, good breakfast. Ripper!
Great for fuel economy though.
Why have you lifted up the Cole's lifted up the voice rack before the middle one. Good job, Shag.
Looks good, mate.
He's made the easiest racks to ever use, hard.
It's a bit of a problem.
That's it, now just throw the front one up and you're in.
What, that?
Yeah, just throw that up.
Do it up a little
Twist
bit.
her on the right. All the way and she'll just spin her up, boy. Too good. 4's up in the city.
Great.
LSD over.
Sign it out.
Sign her out, sign her out.
Let's go for a manie.
Show them down the main street.
No, we've already
for
shown them,
joining.
lady. Thanks for joining. See you in the next
Like,
one.
share, subscribe.
Woo!